Although we do repair almost any make or type of caravan, the Bridlington Caravan Repairer is delighted to be associated with the new stunning 2011 ABI Windermere as the brand new addition to ABI's successful range of holiday homes with new design features both inside and out. The exterior has a front roof overhang housing attractive inset spotlights and a textured aluminum cladding along with superb new wood grain style exterior windows and doors. Inside, fabulous new lounge upholstery features strongly with a lounge kitchen divider unit and kitchen furniture with subtle textured grain finish being the standout highlights. The lounge offers optional front patio doors and classic floral and plain seating upholstery, scatter cushions, pelmets and rich metallic lined curtains complement perfectly. The storage and display furniture contains a Perspex TV riser with DVD space, the electric fire and surround, crackle light shades and attractive floor lamp give the room a cozy yet luxurious feel. The kitchen area is home to a range of textured finished cabinets and comes complete with a 4-burner hob, twin-cavity oven and grill, integrated 70/30 fridge freezer, a stainless steel sink and drainer with mixer. The Windermere is available with fixed or loose seating in the dining area, whilst a wooden Venetian blind, brushed aluminum switches and a matching crackle light shade complete the look. The stylish master bedroom doesn't disappoint, containing low-level bedside cabinets and reading lamps each side of the attractive headboard that features square button pads. Generous wardrobe space, dressing area, mirror and a lift-up bed are all included, as is the ensuite toilet. The twin bedroom replicates the master but contains twin single beds. The Windermere bathroom houses a large 10-50mm rectangular shower with toughened glass sliding door and thermostatic mixer. A porcelain WC basin with vanity unit and mirror make the all-new 2011 Windermere the holiday home for all seasons. Leasing dedicated web space Bridlington Caravan Repair. Info from webwisemedia.co.uk. Can be compared to having a caravan showroom in a prime location for Bridlington caravan owners.